From Mustard with Love, sponsored by ABC Taxis, achieving best customer service.
We have a very special guest in the studio, all the way from Australia, Brisbane Canary.
Ooh, yeah.
Thanks so much for joining us.
Hi everyone, thanks for inviting me.
Happy birthday.
Thank you very much.
Today?
It is.
It's today.
Yes, it's today.
Well, I'm sure you've heard of From Russia with Love, but we're starting a new series called From Mustard with Love. I'm here with the gorgeous Shaun, who's driving me to a very special place, because the idea of this series is to spread a little bit of love to the people of Norfolk, those very special people. And today I'm off to meet the family of a young man who absolutely adores football, and he's going to be meeting his football idol, somebody that used to play for Norwich City. Can't think for a minute who it could possibly be. What does he think he's doing this evening?
He thinks we're actually going to a restaurant for a meal.
Well, I hope he's pleased that he's going on the pink and instead.
Sure, he'll be very pleased. He just always said his career was cut short far too soon, and, you know, just always raving about Darren Eadie.
I know he's just over here from Australia with his wife and
arrived
your
last week,
two grandchildren,
two little girls,
How this all came about then?
My sister Pauline and myself were in the EDP press office in January doing some business, and I asked the lady who we were speaking to if there was any way she could help me organise a surprise for my son's 40th birthday. Since then, Ian Clark and myself have been emailing, trying to sort this little surprise out for Lee tonight, hoping he'll be thrilled.
He'll be shocked, he'll be completely surprised. He hasn't got a clue about any of it because it was just so randomly organised.
Well, Lee is such a fan that he's even named his youngest daughter Eadie. Now that's devotion for you.
He never listens to his mother.
So, all set here, but now back to Mustard HQ to find out what Darren has up his sleeve.
Well, here we go. I'm just off to meet a bit of a super fan called Lee. It's his 40th birthday today. He's got no idea what's about to go on. Not only is he going to receive a signed Norwich City shirt for his 40th birthday, he's also coming on the Pinkin Show. And while we were sorting the big surprise in the studio, there was definitely a moment in the car when Lee thought something was up. How you come?
Oh,
How are you?
wow.
You're right, nice to meet you.
I knew. Found out I was actually going to contact you and try and get you to meet Eadie. That's
well, we've just met. We've got yourself a 40th birthday shirt for you, all signed. Obviously being a Norwich City fan, but not only that, it's not just this that you're here for.
Right.
You're actually going to be live on the Pinkin Show tonight as well.
What?
You're coming on the show with us.
Oh dear goodness.
Is that all right?
Right.
Bit of a surprise? Excited?
A bit nervous, yeah, okay. What's that? Yeah, okay.
You'll be absolutely wonderful. You follow me and we'll go to the studio. And there's all the family as well, all here to see you. I've had some people sort of named after me before, but they always take the A out. And you got this as well.
That's hilarious. Oh, good grief. What made you think of this?
Well, actually, all I asked for was a signed birthday.
Yeah, I'll tell you. It's Sim.
It was him.
As the taxi driver, I was expecting him to take a ride. I was like, he's taking us a bit of a funny journey here. I think he's trying to get a few extra quid out. As we see the camera pull through it, and then I saw Darren, I'm like, all right, okay, clearly something's going on. She's crazy. She's absolutely barking mad, but she knows that anyway.
Yeah, the whole family do.
I love you, and you know we love you.
And I love you more, both of you.
Yeah,
There is nothing I could buy him.
Amazing surprise.
Nothing I could buy him. I wanted to do something
ridiculous.
From Mustard with Love, sponsored by ABC Taxis, achieving best customer service.